Hey, so back again with me, Joshua, and my brother Brandon, and today we're gonna do unboxing of Angry Bird
and their Angry Bird pen.
See, what a bam, huh? Okay, so let's start off with the book.
So we don't have to unbox the pen because it's already unboxed for you.
Yeah, let's check out this thing.
You just need to take off the tag. So here's the first page, and it has colors on the sides.
Just colors
here on the sides. You can see the colors.
Okay.
So here's the pen. Big. So this matches with this, so I can draw stuff. I can draw stars.
Sorry, that was my brother.
And I can draw a bird. A bird?
Wait, a bird.
Okay.
Okay, that's pretty much all, and peace out. And don't forget to subscribe!